Have you ever heard about mystical creatures acting as guardian angels? That's just a nice way of putting it. They will protect anyone, but what if I told you that they would do anything to achieve that goal? Anything.